Hi, my name is Sonia. Today I will tell you the journey of UK International Beauty Academy, which started with a mission to bring international learning standards of beauty to India and beyond, and a clear vision to become a world leader in beauty education by providing top of the line learning and job assistance to our students. You know, the world is changing, the learning is changing, and the way people educate now is changing. The world is moving towards beauty and fashion. Then why should India be left behind? UK International Beauty Academy is the product of the hard work and efforts of the individuals who want to make India prominent on the world map. We started with only one aim in mind, and that is to provide world-class, high-quality beauty and makeup education in India by trained professionals and instructors in the field. With that in mind, we created a world-class infrastructures with the help of our trainers who are the best in what they do. Within no time, we not only created hordes of graduates but ensured that we do their placement so that they can work and earn from the skills we have imparted to them. We knew that we wanted our students to be recognized anywhere they go and everywhere in the world. This is why we made sure to be certified from Prit Qualis Certification UK London. Now, we are not only the leaders in India, but we have spread our branches to Dubai, London, New Zealand, Singapore, and Australia, among others. We have an established presence in these countries with much more to come soon. We truly act on it when we say we are on our way to becoming global leaders in beauty, makeup, and everything in between. UK International Beauty Academy within no time has created full-fledged careers for its students in makeup and hairstyling. We realized early on that picking up a brush is not just makeup. So we delved deep into various areas like fashion makeup, 3D makeup, HD makeup, corporate makeup, fantasy makeup, nail art, cosmetology, skin treatment, Ayurveda and grooming etc. Similarly, we took hairstyling up a notch as well and introduced multi-level hairstyling, hair treatment, international grade hairdo and haircuts etc. We have a lot more that we offer when it comes to beauty, makeup, fashion and hair. So keep exploring our website to know more. Our geniuses at the UK International Beauty Academy realized within a very short time that creating a career out of these skills goes way beyond just learning them. Hence, we ventured on the journey of creating entrepreneurs out of our students. We have now introduced courses that help students with self-grooming, freelance setup guidance, social media, salon management, and doing all they have learned in live shows. Our internationally certified students are doing all these and much more. We at the UK International Beauty Academy take pride in the fact that we have brought India to the world map of beauty, makeup, and fashion. With our ever-increasing international presence and our students reaching a global level, there is no stopping us now. If you had ever considered starting a career in makeup and fashion, you know where to go. Our students tell us we are a godsend, and we believe them. Our address: UK International, C3, 2nd floor, Sector 2, Noida 201301. For more details and updates, please follow us on Instagram and visit our website www.uk-international.com. Here are few pictures of UK Beauty School. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.